Pricing Calculator. AWS offers you a pay-as-you-go approach for pricing for over 160 cloud services. With AWS you pay only for the individual services you need, for as long as you use them, and without requiring long-term contracts or complex licensing. AWS pricing is similar to how you pay for utilities, like water and electricity. You only pay for the services you consume, and once you stop using them, there are no additional costs or termination fees. The AWS Pricing Calculator lets you explore AWS services and create an estimate for the cost of your use cases on AWS. This enables you to make informed decisions about using AWS. How do you pay for AWS? Pay-as-you-go allows you to easily adapt to changing business needs, without overcommitting budgets and improving your responsiveness to changes. Commit to save. For AWS Compute and AWS Machine Learning, savings plans offer savings over on-demand, in exchange for a commitment to use a specific amount of a service. Usage is measured in dollars per hour of an AWS service or a category of services for a 1 or 3 year period. Pay less by using more. You can get volume-based discounts and realize important savings as your usage increases. For services such as S3, pricing is tiered, meaning the more you use, the less you pay per gigabyte. Whether you are running a single instance or dozens of individual services, with the AWS Pricing Calculator, you can model your solutions before building them, explore the price points and calculations behind your estimate, and find the available instance types and contract terms that meet your needs. With transparent pricing, you can see the math behind the price for your service configurations. You can use hierarchical estimates to see and analyze service costs, grouped by different parts of your architecture. You can save each estimate's unique link to share, or revisit directly through your browser, and you can export your estimate to a CSV file. The calculator is useful both for people who've never used AWS and for users who want to reorganize or expand their AWS usage.